right, let's do a nervous system reset. This is going to help you feel calmer, more centered, more like yourself, and less anxious. We're going to start at the hand. This is the karate chop point, and it helps to release grief and disappointment, heartbreak, things like that. It's going to help you feel less tension in your chest, easier to breathe. Maybe you might feel a weight lifting off your shoulders. Good. Feeling the energy traveling down the arms, the body's relaxing, tailbone is untucking. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. We want the exhale to be longer than the inhale. Right now we're releasing the looping thoughts and anxiety and helping to calm down our mind and overthinking. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. We're going to go to the inner eyebrow. Take a deep breath in and out. This is going to help you to release fear and anger. Frustration and anger. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Let's go to the outside of the eye. This also helps release frustration and anger. We are right next to the eye. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Let's go under the eye. So while we're tapping, we can also alternatively talk about how we're feeling. So we can say, even though I'm feeling like this, I deeply love and accept myself. Good. So you can either say exactly how you're feeling, like stressed, anxious, overwhelmed, in fear, blah, blah, blah. Whatever it is that you're feeling, you can tap and say it, and then follow it up with, I deeply love and accept myself. This is providing unconditional love to yourself, which is extremely healing and compassionate. So this point right here that we were just tapping on under the eye helps release control, and this one helps to connect the mind and the body. Because sometimes when we get overwhelmed, we tend to check out, leave the body, and this helps to bring us back into the body so that we can process the energy that we're going through. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. So an emotion only lasts about 90 seconds in the body, but oftentimes we don't allow ourselves to finish the emotion, so it kind of gets trapped in the body and can release chemicals every time that something that's similar to that event or that thing that happened will release that chemistry within the body. So causes fight or flight, essentially. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. So right here, we're releasing any time that we didn't speak our truth recently, or how we've talked to ourselves. Maybe we've been too hard on ourselves. It's just going to give us a nice reset. Let all that stuff go. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. We're going to go to the chest here. Good. This is going to help you release fear. Good. You can say, even though I am going through this fear, I deeply love and accept myself. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. We go to the center of the chest. Take a deep breath in and out. This is helping us to have more compassion and love for ourselves. Good. Good. I felt that energy draining down the back of the spine and behind the ears. So right here is a channel that helps our fight or flight to drain in Chinese medicine, and I always feel it draining there. Good. Let's go underneath the armpit, hands width down. Good. On the right side, we're clearing out anger, and on the left is worry. If any of these spots are sore, it could be that you have stuck lymph there, and also some energy and information that needs to go. So this is what we're doing, is helping to let go the energy and the information. And while we're doing it, we're actually helping to push the lymph around the body so that it can get to the spots where it needs to get, so it can get processed. Good. We're going to go to the hand again. So that was one round of tapping, and you can do many rounds of tapping. This is all dependent on what you want to feel, how you want to transform your life, how dedicated you are to your transformation. Some people do this in the morning as well as in the evening. If you start off in the morning with tapping, you're going to start out with a lot more clarity. You're going to realize like how you want to set up the day, how, just clear out any emotions you have about having the day that you're going to be going forward with. And then at night, you can process the day through tapping. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Awesome. Good. I'm feeling my jaw relaxing, feeling my chest opening up. Good. Outside the eye. Good. You might be yawning. Tears might be streaming down your face. They could be from grief or just from your yawning and nervous system reset. Good. Under the eye. Deep breath in and out. Good. Let's go under the nose. Good. I'm feeling another yawn coming on. Great. Let's go under the lip. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Let's go right here. We're at the chest. Good. Another yawn's coming up. Ooh, good. Let's go to the center of the chest. Good. And right here. Let's take a deep breath in and out. Okay, that was a quick energetic reset for the weekend. Enjoy. I love you. Keep tapping.